Welcome. Here are the steps to open future positions in BYDFI. 1. Account creation. If you don't have a BYDFI account, sign up on their website and complete the registration process. 2. Account verification. Verify your identity and fulfill any necessary Know Your Customer (KYC) requirements to gain access to full account features and higher withdrawal limits. 3. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your BYDFI account, ensuring that your balance is sufficient to cover the margin requirements for the future positions you intend to open. 4. Access futures trading. Once your account is funded, go to the BYDFI website or app and locate the Futures or Futures Trading section. Click on it to enter the futures trading platform. 5. Select trading pair. Choose the trading pair you want to engage in, for instance, BTC, USDT, ETH, USDT, OP, USDT, etc. 6. Choose contract type. Decide on the type of futures contract you wish to trade, whether it's Perpetual or LITE contracts, based on your trading preferences. 7. Set leverage. Before opening a position, determine the leverage you want to apply. Leverage allows you to increase market exposure, but it's essential to exercise caution with high leverage due to increased potential losses. 8. Opening a position. Depending on your market outlook, click the Long button to buy if you anticipate price rise, or click the Short button to sell if you expect price decline. 9. Setting stop loss and take profit. Manage your risk and secure profits by setting stop loss and take profit levels. These levels will automatically trigger the closure of your position when they are reached. 10. Monitor your position. Keep a close watch on your open position and observe market movements. You can track real-time profit and loss (P&L) on the trading platform. 11. Closing the position. When you're ready to close your position, access the Open Orders or Positions tab and click on Close or Market Close to exit the trade. You can also set specific conditions for an automatic close at your desired profit or loss levels. Additionally, if you wish to make a withdrawal, follow these steps. 1. Purchase the coin you intend to withdraw. 2. Copy the destination address where you want to deposit the coins. 3. Paste the address in the withdrawal section. 4. Enter the OTP, one-time password, for security purposes. 5. Be patient during the withdrawal processing time, which may take a few minutes, 30 minutes, or several hours depending on